Hello everyone, welcome to Russell Classroom. Today I solve this problem. It is a 8 power a plus 2 power a equal to 130. It is a math Olympiad question. So first of all, 8 power a, now I can say easily 2 to the power 3 power a plus 2 power a equal to 130. Now I can say 2 to the power a power 3 plus 2 power a equal to 130. We know that a to the power n power m equal to a to the power m n. So I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say, if I think let 2 power a equal to x, now I can say easily x cube plus x minus 130 equal to 0. Now I find out one factor in this equation. So if I think x equal to 5, this time I can say easily 5 cube plus 5 minus 130. Now I can say 125 plus 5 minus 130. So this is 0. Now I can see easily x minus 5 is a one factor in this equation. So now I can see easily x minus 5 is a one factor in this equation. Now I find out this equation. Okay, if I divide this equation in this value, now I can find out this value. So now I divide this equation. Okay, x cube plus x minus 130 divide x minus 5. So if I think this is x square, so x square multiply x equal to x cube, and plus minus equal to minus, and x square multiply 5 equal to 5x square. Now I change the sign. Here is minus, here is plus. So now I can say 5x square plus x. Now I think I put on 5x. So if I say 5x multiply x equal to 5x square, and plus minus minus 5x multiply 5 is equal to 25x. Now change the sign. So 25x and x equal to 26x minus 130. Now if I put 26, now I can say easily 26 multiply x equal to 26x minus 26 multiply 5 is equal to 130. So this is the one factor in this equation. So now I can put this equation x square plus 5x plus 26 equal to 0. Now I can say easily x minus 5 equal to 0, or x square plus 5x plus 26 equal to 0. Now I can say easily x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 5, and x square plus 5x plus 26 equal to 0. Now we know that b square minus 4ac. I find out this value. So b is equal to 5x square minus 4a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 26. Now this value is less than 0, so this is rejected, and it is not possible because of that it is a complex number. So this is the answer of equation. So I can say easily x is equal to 5. So we know that x is equal to 2 power a. So this time I can say easily x equal to 2 power a equal to 5. So if I multiply both sides log, now I can say log 2 power a equal to log 5, and 2 power a log 2 is equal to log 5, And now I can say a equal to log 5 by log 2. So this is the value of a. This is the answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.